Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to clear your chats in Discord. So for DMs, you could go here on direct messages, and if you want to clear a chat, you could just go click on it and go click on close DM. As you can see, it disappeared. And there's also an alternative way, like clicking here or hovering to that person or that chat and click on the X button here. And for channels, if you want to delete a variety of messages or many messages, you could go to here, app directory, search for MEE6, just like so. And you just need to add this bot to the server. Okay, once you've added it to the server, you can go to the channel that you've added the bot into, and you could just go type in clear, and something will pop up if you have the bot in your channel. And you could go clear the last 1,000 messages or 600 messages. It's up to you, but the maximum is also only 1,000 messages. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.